Hello everybody. We are here today from Ubuntu organization in Belgavi for the digital marketing training. We are with our respected former Chief Secretary Ratna Prabhaji, the founder member of Ubuntu. Ma'am, we just want a few words about Ubuntu, for what it has come in Belgavi and what we are doing.
So thank you Priya and Rupa for organizing this wonderful training of digital transformation, or we say digital marketing. We are so glad that Ubuntu Consortium could come to Belgaum for the first time. We started this training program here, and the response has been so good, and women entrepreneurs are very enthusiastic and they're enterprising and they want to learn how to do their business online. And this has been our vision and mission, that women entrepreneurs should go along with the need of the hour. See, after COVID, online transactions have become the need of the hour, and it is no longer luxury. It's a necessity that all, whether it's men or women, they have to do online businesses. And these online businesses will only help them to upscale their businesses. So we hope that the women will learn from this training program, and then we also would like to continue this initiative. Today's a basic training, then we go for advanced training, then we train them in several other new areas of technology, and we'll continue to keep our connection with the Belgaum women entrepreneurs.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You can say the strong pillar for this program and to bring Ubuntu from Bangalore is our Priya Puranik from Parampara. Priya, a few words from you.
Thank you, Rupa. As she said, pillar. 4 pillars will be there always. Only one pillar cannot do anything. So Rupa is also other pillar for us. And I thank Ubuntu for giving the opportunity for Belgavi women entrepreneurs. And this is the need of the hour, ma'am. Really, we are very happy, and our all entrepreneurs are asking when will be the next training.
Oh, good.
So this is the feedback I can tell. And madam, this is the need of the hour, as I said. So only now they are in the basic thing, and next session will be the upgradation and how to register and how to sell their products. And I will thank Deepali also for the wonderful and thank you very much our Ratna Prabha madam for this opportunity, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's hope that we continue to work together for the growth of women entrepreneurs.
We are Ubuntu.
Let me just say, Summit Ubuntu has great things, has more than 65 organizations working around under her roof, and we still want to grow and have this a success for women, for why we survive and we stay.
So if you are a women entrepreneur or you are part of an association, please join us and grow with us.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.